You can scale a GeminiDB Redis instance disk to meet different service requirements or to reduce resource wastage. During this process, your instance will not restart and your services will not be interrupted. This video will show you how to manually scale the instance storage. Let's go through each step. Step 1. Log into the Huawei Cloud Console. Step 2. Choose GeminiDB Redis API. Step 3. Go to the Scale Storage Space page. Step 4. Select a disk size. Step 5. Confirm the storage space. Step 6. Check the results. Log into the Huawei Cloud Console and choose Databases, then choose GeminiDB Redis API. There are two ways to access the Scale Storage Space page after the first two steps. Method 1. On the Instances page, browse to your instance and choose More, then choose Scale Storage Space. Method 2. On the Instances page, click the name of your instance. In the Specification Information area on the Basic Information page, click Scale. Select at least 1 GB each time, and the storage size must be an integer. After specifying the new storage space, click Next. On the displayed page, confirm the storage space. Take a pay-per-use instance as an example. To modify the settings, click Previous. If you do not need to modify your settings, click Submit. Check the results. While the scaling task is in progress, the instance status is Scaling Storage Space. After the scaling task is complete, the instance status becomes available. Click the instance name. In the Specifications Information area on the Basic Information page, check the new storage space.